What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I want to talk about a quick update on the Pixel 5a. Nope, this is the Pixel 4a, but the Pixel 5a release date is super close. Thank you to Max Weinbach for sharing this information, and Mark Gurman, who does predict that the Pixel 5a will be released this week. So without further delay, let's dive right into the video. Okay, so diving right in, let's take a look. We have live images of the Pixel 5a, and I also have renders that we received earlier this year. But if we look at these live images, thanks and credits go to Max Weinbach and his source. But the design looks almost identical to the Pixel 4a 5G, and this is just a smaller version of the 4a 5G. In terms of the back panel and the camera layout. And there is a difference, which seems to be a ribbed power button. We're just going to have to see until the official unveiling and how that turns out to be. And we also have an image of the battery capacity at 4,680 milliamp hours, which does pretty much line up almost with John Prosser's. I think his was 4,640. Nonetheless, that's a huge battery, probably the biggest battery with any Pixel device to date until the Pixel 6 Pro and its rumored 5,000 milliamp hour battery does come out. But that's a very large battery for a Pixel device. Max also does confirm that the Pixel 5a will be released on Tuesday, August 17th. So it's literally like, if you're watching this on Sunday, it's in 2 days. But if you're watching this tomorrow, it's going to be in 1 day. So Tuesday, August 17th, and there have been rumors of an August 26th release in stores, brick and mortar stores, so in Google stores and online for $449 for $450, pretty much according to John Prosser. But we might have to just wait until Tuesday and Google's announcement with the Pixel 5a. But nonetheless, we're still getting a Pixel device before the 6 and the 6 Pro. We might even get Pixel Fold. We still have the Pixel Watch that's going to come out. And Mark Gurman, he also too does confirm. He did put out a lot of information regarding the new iPhone, the September event, and even the Google Pixel 5a. And he says, and I'll put up the screenshot, Google's new low-end Pixel phone is just days away. So he said expect the low-cost 5a with a Qualcomm chip. We're not getting Google's new Tensor chip. That's coming in the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. We might see it next year with the 6a. Who knows? We're not getting that Tensor chip. And he says it's going to be announced this week. So that does really line up with what Max is saying. But that's pretty much it. We're getting the Pixel 5a. It's literally right around the corner. It's here. We're going to get it. And you're going to see Pixel 5a coverage and videos on this channel. If you love Pixel content, you want to see more, because I do promise you more Pixel content is going to come on this channel. Definitely love Google's Pixel lineup. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video, as it does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more viewers like you. Anyway, that's been it for me with this quick update video. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.